So in the second video of module 4, we'll be discussing about quality philosophy and its practice. So the quality gurus are Deming, Juran and Crosby. They have contributed to improvement of quality. Deming is American author, a statistician, professor and a consultant. He was best known for his PDSA Cycle implementation at workplace. He also framed 14 points which has to be followed in the company to go with the quality. He also taught quality control on war effort to be ignored after the war. In Japan from 1950 onwards, taught top management how to improve design, product quality, testing, and sales through various standards and statistical methods. He was awarded prize for high level of achievement in the quality practices. He made a significant contribution to Japan's later reputations for innovation, high quality products, and economic power. He was awarded a National Medal of Technology in 1987. What are the Deming's quality philosophy? Are the process, it is product design, manufacture, test, sales, market survey, redesign and improvement. A product or service possesses quality if it helps somebody enjoys a good and sustainable market. Variation is the cause of poor quality. So Deming's chain reaction here, it explains how it's going to work. So provide jobs and more jobs to improve process and quality. In between that, you have to stay in business. You have to check higher market shares with better quality and lower price. Productivity improves and costs go down. Less mistakes and rework, fewer delays, better use of machine time and material. So like this, from the beginning till end, and from the end till beginning, the process keeps on moving in the Deming's chain reaction. What are the Deming's 14 policies? Create and publish the aims and purposes of the organizations. So the vision of the company may be long term. Company's purpose is to serve their customers and employees, not simply for profit. Invest in innovation, training and research. Improve competitive positions. Top management is responsible for all the activities. Effective leadership begins with the commitment. This is the first point. The second point, it tells about learn the new philosophy, where continuous improvement happens, where refusal to accept non-conformance of the products during inspection. Labor and management cooperate to improve the customer satisfaction. Defend perfection rather than defect detection must happen. So this must be the second policy as per Deming. Understand the purpose of inspection as the third point. So why we do inspection means to reduce defects, reduce the errors whatever you produce. Inspect your own work and fix it. It's a never-ending improvement using statistical technique. Improves process and reduces cost. Stop avoiding business based on the price alone. Don't buy the products from the who gives at a lesser price. So no meaning to price without quality. Work with supplier for long-term relationship. Improve quality with your suppliers. Get volume discounts. Fewer setups. Suppliers customer bond is needed. Improve constantly and forever the system. Reduce the causes of variation and engage all the employees at workplace. How to do job in this efficiently and in the shortest time. So there must be a continuous process improvement and it is mandatory. So training institute will be there where how to do good job and how to increase production, it must be trained. So invest in their future. Training should include tools will be diagnosing, analyzing, solving quality problems, identify improvement process. Institutional leadership, it is the job of management is leadership, not supervision. Focus on getting product out of the order. If supervisor don't know the job, they can't lead the company. Good supervisors are coaches, not the prison guards. Means continuous work mustn't be assigned to the supervisors. So there must have some restrictions for the work which they are going to carry out. So drive without fear means managers and workers must have mutual respect to each other. They must encourage open, effective communication and teamwork. Fear is caused by general feeling of being powerless or to control important aspect of one's life. Optimize the effort of teams, groups, and staff. So here, management must optimize efforts to achieve the aims and purposes of the organization. Internal and external barriers will be there. Poor communication, ignorance about organization missions, competition, fear, and personal grudges, jealousies, all those things must be avoided in the team, groups, and staff members. 10th point is eliminate exaggeration for the workforce. So here, exaggeration do nothing but express management's desire. Goals should be set in such a way that they are achievable and they are committed to the long-term success of the organization. Improvements in the process cannot be made unless the tools and methods are available. Eliminate numerical quotas for the workforce. Instead of quotas, management must learn and institute method for improvement. Quotas focus on quantity rather than quality. Discouragement of poor workmanship. Management must provide and implement a strategy for never-ending improvements of processes. Eliminate management by objective. Management must learn the capabilities of the process and how to improve them. Internal goals must be set by the management without a method of burlesque. Management by numerical goal is an attempt to manage without knowledge of what to do. Remove barriers that rob people of pride in the workmanship. So the loss of pride in workmanship exists throughout the organization because workers do not know how to relate to the organization mission. Encourage education and self-improvement for everyone. Means when all they need to be educated, they are educated. There must be a long-term commitments towards the training and education of employees. Retrain the employees so that they meet the changes in the business environment. Means those who are IT auditors, they must be capable of doing the work of the diploma holders. So like this, must keep on going stage by stage. So the last point is take action to accomplish the transformation. So what are the actions that is necessary for the transformation of the company? That action must be taken. Creation of a corporate structure to implement the philosophy. Change from business as usual towards to the attitude. Management must be committed, involved, and accessible. So transformation must happen at each case. Management must take steps to ensure continual improvement. So like this, all the 14 points of timings must be taken care in the organization to go with the achieving of the required